Hi guys, you're welcome to Explore Insight. So I'm back again with past question um part 2. So if you have not watched the part 1, I don't know what you're waiting for. So please go and watch the part 1 and watch my previous videos too, where I talked about representation of sign numbers. I've talked about the sign magnitude. I've talked about the first complement and the second complement. So go and watch that. Okay, so let's look at the past question, and this one is the second one. Also, I'll be uploading the third, the fourth, and the fifth one, so you can also watch the subsequent videos after this one. So in this one, we have what is the second complement representation of minus 17. So in your exam, they always take note of the values they provided you with. So take note of that. It's actually minus 17, not just 17, minus 17. So we are given different options. A, 101110, B, 101111, C, 111110, D, 110001. So what is the answer? So without any further ado, let's quickly give a shot to this question. Okay, so we have year represented by the syntax, which is the sign bit, and the two complement attribute binary, which is also the magnitude bits. Now for the attribute binary of 17, now just to take you back, we are going to have that through this format. So we have 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, all these are the place values, and 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. So if we break that down, 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So the good question is, what is going to actually sum up to give us 17? Because we can't locate 17 here. So the summation will be, if we take 16 and 1, we are going to actually have 17. So to that, any one that makes up the 17 will be represented as 1, while the rest will be taken as 0. So to that, we're going to turn 16 on 1. 8 was not included, 0. 4 was not included, 0. 2 was not included, 0. And here we have 1. So at the end of the day, this is how I achieved the conversion of 17 in decimal to binary as 10001. Now, there is also a rule for what we call the sign bits for minus. So when you have that a negative number, you're going to have the sign bit as 1, and vice versa. It means for plus, we're going to have the sign bit as 0. So now the question we have here is actually minus 17. So it means that we can first of all check for the complement of 17 and then put the sign as we move forward. So for the first complement of 17, we have 01110. So let me make a recap. How do we get the first complement? So in my previous videos, I made mention that for every first complement, what you need to do is to change the bits. So if you see 1, you change to 0, and if you see 0, you change to 1. Okay, that's how it literally works for first complement. So now we have this binary of 17 to be 10001. So for us to change it to first complement, it means this 1 is going to change to 0, this 000 will change to 111, and then this 1 will change to 0. So that's just literally what we have here. And then for the second complement, we said it's going to be a summation of the first complement and 1. So it means whatever we get for the first complement, we're just adding 1 to it. So the first complement of 17 is what we got here as 01110, then plus 1. So at the end of this, we're going to have 01111. But this has not really answered our question, right? Because we are asked to provide the complements for minus 17. So this is why I said in the beginning, take note of what you're asked. So for minus 17, we are just coming here to introduce now the sign. So if 17 has given us 01111, now we are looking for minus 17. So we are really looking out for this sign. So to that, we will make a recall that we said for sign bit for minus is actually going to be 1. So we are going to introduce 1 here, and then the 17 we have here. So what does that tell us? It tells us that this one represents the sign bit, and this is actually the magnitude bits. So therefore, if we correspond this with the given options, you can see that option B, which is 101111 is actually correct. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So please do well to subscribe, to like, to share with your family and friends. So do have a wonderful time. Enjoy. Bye.